Now let's just display all of the data which we get from our seller here in our main page. So first what we will do, first we will create a repeating group here. Okay, I'll scroll down and click on repeating group, and we will create a large repeating group here. Okay, like this one. Now first we will change the rows and columns of our repeating group. Okay, I will change the rows to 2 and column to 2. Okay, now we have in this box shape like. Okay, other than that we will leave everything as it is. Now what data we have to display here? We want to display the seller data. So I'll double click on our repeating group and I'll tell the type of content to seller and data source to do a search for. We are telling that do a search for type seller. Okay, now that's it. We don't need to do anything here in our repeating group. Now what thing we want to display here? First I'll increase the size of my repeating group here. That's fine. Okay, first we will create here a text, and we will create a text here, and we will double click on it and click on insert dynamic data. Now what data we want to insert? We want to insert the current seller's name here. Okay, and we will take a copy of this, and this time we will change this to current seller type. Okay, and that's it. We don't need to display more data here. Okay, now what else we need? We will also create an image here. Like this, where we can showcase our image, and we double click on it and insert dynamic data here again, current cell user image, and the last one we will add a button here in order to open this page. Okay, we'll add a button here. And we'll change it to see full detail. Okay, and we will remove its style. First I will increase the font size to 10, and I'll change its color to 192 E5B, and background color to #1D65A6. Okay, we will adjust this so that it look more aligned. Okay, now this is fine. Okay, now what else we need? Again I'll click here and I'll click on pop-up, and I'll click on submit button and start edit workflow. Now here, once the data is saved in our database, I want that this pop-up hides. Okay, okay, we don't need to do anything else here. Now I will add a workflow to this button in our next video. So if I preview this right now, you'll see that currently we only have one house available, name of seller, type of property, image of property, and see full details. Okay, if we just click on submit another one, if I just click name to Anutu and city to Madrid and type to flat contact I'll put any random number and I will add another image here. Okay. Now if I just click on submit button, you'll see all of these data here. Okay. Now whenever another seller adds any property here, it will appear in our repeating groups. Okay.